In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Todoist with Google Calendar using a simple step-by-step process. Whether you're organizing tasks for work, managing daily errands, or planning a big project, syncing Todoist with your Google Calendar can keep everything streamlined so all your obligations appear in one cohesive system. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your Todoist tasks appearing seamlessly within your Google Calendar. First, make sure you have the Todoist web app open on your device, or you can also use the Todoist app. If you're new to Todoist, it's a versatile task management tool that helps you keep track of everything in your life. So once you have it open, head over to the top left corner of the screen. Here, you'll see your avatar, which is your profile picture if you've uploaded one. Clicking on this will reveal a menu where you need to select Settings. Within the Settings menu, there's a special section dedicated to calendars. Go ahead and click on that option. Linking your calendar is a significant way to consolidate your time management by having your tasks visible on your schedule. Now you should see an option labeled Connect Google Calendar. Click on it to initiate the integration process. This step is crucial because it starts the linking of your Todoist account to your Google Calendar, allowing them to share information and reflect any changes directly in your Google Calendar. When you click on Connect Google Calendar, you'll be prompted to select your Google account. Ensure you pick the one that houses the Google Calendar you wish to sync with. After selecting the appropriate Google account, click on Continue. This action allows Todoist to request permission to share data with your Google Calendar, effectively meaning both services will communicate consistently. Once you've granted the necessary permissions, you'll be automatically returned to your Todoist settings. At this point in the process, your Google Calendar is connected, which is great news because tasks can now start appearing in the same digital space where you plan events and set reminders. From here, go ahead and navigate to the option labeled Sync Tasks to Calendar. It's generally a toggle feature which you'll want to make sure is on. Turning on this feature ensures that all future tasks you enter into Todoist will be reflected in your Google Calendar. You'll also be able to see due dates and categorize tasks efficiently. By enabling this synchronization, you're essentially creating a more dynamic and integrated planning tool, keeping all your priorities neatly in view, and there you have it, a comprehensive way to sync your Todoist account with Google Calendar. Now you're ready to boost your productivity by viewing your tasks and events effortlessly in one place. Enjoy the newfound organization and happy task managing.